So this is a random unboxing video. Between yesterday and today, I got 3 boxes of various sizing. They are big enough that you can't get them all in one frame, but all 3 are actually from Weverse shop. I just don't know exactly what is inside these boxes because I've ordered things on Weverse and it's taken months and months and months for things to arrive, and I don't know what is what because I have like 10 to 12 orders outstanding, so this will be a surprise for me as well. So let's get into this unboxing and see what kind of goodies Weverse has sent my way. Let's start with this box. It's the smallest of the 3. It's a 12 by 9 by 4 box, apparently. I mean, I have an idea of what I've ordered. I just don't know what's actually shipped and what's not. Oh, well, this would be the Enhypen Goo Deco box or package. Yeah, I wasn't quite sure what this was exactly, but I saw it on Weverse, and since I stand Enhypen, I was like, ah, what the hell, let's go buy it. But here it is. It's cute. I don't know what's in here. I've never seen an unboxing of this yet, so but anyway, this is what the front looks like. This side here, the back, and again, you're gonna get this glare because I have to use my camera lighting because it is raining again today and there is no natural light. It also came with this here. Oh, it says it's a special gift. It's the Enhypen Goo package special gift. It looks like it's some sort of group acrylic stand or card of some sort or frame. I'm not sure. All right, and this is looks like especially for Engine, which I am officially an Engine myself. I'm waiting for my kit to show up whenever that happens. But it says here there is a note set, a photo set, a sticker pack, masking tape set, and a memo pad. Cute. You see smiley faces, gummy bears. It's very cute packaging. It's like a clear slip cover. And here is the first thing you see in this package. Oh, I don't know what's in here, so I don't know if there's anything random. Oh. Okay, so this looks like the notepad set. There's Jungwon. How cute. I'm guessing all the members are in here. I don't know if I want to open this. I think I want to keep it in this plastic for now. Oh, and look at all this washi tape. How cute. So it looks like you get some Goo package / washi tape or something. Get 4 different pattern types. Oh, I guess that's upside down. Hold on. Nice. And then this one is animated, like cartoony characters, it looks like. The gummy bears and stuff. And this one has our members. That's so adorable. And then I see, oh, this must be the random member card you get. I got my bias, Jay. Okay, I collect 5 members of Enhypen. I collect Jay, Jungwon, Sunghoon, Jake, and Heesung, but Jay is my main bias, and he's who I pulled. Wow, lucky day. He looks so expensive, doesn't he? Oh, wow, I'm so happy already. So this looks like a pack of stickers. Random little animated things. This one says Sunghoon. He sung. Oh, I wonder if the members drew these little cartoons. How cute. There's Nikki. This is possibly Jay. Here's Jake, stick figure, and Jungwon. Oh, that's cute. So these are like hand-drawn little animations. So I'm guessing this must be Sunu. He's quite the artist, isn't he? And then down here, I see a big pack of stickers. You got the Jungwon version, Heesung, Jae, Jake, Sunghoon, Sunu, Nikki, and this looks like a couple of decals, or a couple of pages of decals of random things. It looks like sayings and Enhypen spelled out in a few different ways. And it looks like our little members here in a couple of different concepts. And here's some more goodies. Alright, so these are like film strip or photo strips like that you get in those little photo booths at the mall or something. You take 4 pictures with yourself or your friends. Like here's Jungwon. Here's Heesung's. Here is Jae's. Jake. Sunghoon. Sunu. Definitely before he dyed his hair blonde for the latest comeback, which I'm still shook. And Nikki. And it looks like you get a few group or unit postcards sized things. Anyway, postcard sized things. This first one appears to have Jake, Sunghoon, and Heesung, like sitting at a diner. Trying to angle it so you can see. There we go. This next one looks like, oh, my top 2 biases, Jae and Jungwon. And the 2 besties, the 2 youngsters. We got Nikki and Sunu. Like a disco ball, maybe? A couple of disco balls. Oh, so these are very cute. I'm definitely going to keep the 5 members that I collect and their units. I don't know how I'm going to store them in the binders yet, but I do also have an Enhypen binder storing video upcoming. So these guys will make an appearance in that video. Alright, let's get into this here. These, oh, these appear to be like Polaroids. Oh. Look at Jungwon. Yeah, the backs are plain, so we'll just look at the fronts. But look at Jungwon. Oh, and then Heesung. Oh, these are so cute. They're like candids. They're like candid Polaroids. They probably took it themselves. Oh. And here's Jay. And Jake. Oh. So it's like the first set's in a uniform, the second set's like in some casual clothes. Oh, Sunghoon in glasses. Oh. There's Sunghoon again. And there's Sunu. of course, our maknae, Nikki. And it looks like we get some more group or units. This one is Hee-sung, Sunghoon, and Sunu. Jake and Jay. And Jungwon and Nikki. Oh, here comes our Jae-hoon and Hee-sung third wheel unit. And Jungwon and Jay. And then, of course, Sunu, Nikki. And finally, a group. Those were very cute. Wow, you get a whole lot of stuff in here. This was well worth the money. Alright, it looks like you get another set of photo cards. Oh, so cute. You get these two, like, transparent, like, Enhypen cover cards or something. So I guess you can put, like, your favorite member with one of these little thingies on it. Oh. But you got Jungwon. Hee-sung. Oh, Jay. So cute. Jake. Sunghoon. Sunu. And Nikki. Oh, wow, I just lifted this, and it's a whole gosh darn photo book. You get so much stuff in here. Here's the notebook. It's got like calendar pages, and then other pages for notes. Oh, cute. Given, taken, Goo package. Oh, that was very cute. And then an accordion book. Oh, I see Nikki. Sunu, oh, Sunghoon, Jake, Jay, Hee-sung, and our leader Jungwon. Oh, there's stuff in the back too. Oh, Nikki, again, Sunu, Sunghoon, Jake, Jay, Hee-sung, and Jungwon. And if you thought that was a lot, a photo book. Jungwon, I believe in you. Nikki, I love you. Oh, okay, and Jungwon and Nikki unit. And there's Hee-sung. Oh, nice stems. You are the best, that's what he says. And Sunghoon says you are the best as well. And that is Sunu. Happiness depends upon ourselves. I wonder if they wrote this. There's the Hee-sung, Sunu, Sunghoon unit. And of course, never try, never know. That's Jay. And Jake, hard work pays off. Let's go. That's their unit. And here is their casual clothing concept, I guess you can call it. Jungwon, backwards cap and skateboard. Hee-sung by the bubblegum machine in like a Letterman jacket. You got Jay with the expensive sweater probably wrapped around his neck there. Oh, wow, Jay looks great. Here's Jake in front of snacks and eating snacks. You are my spirit animal. And there's Sung-hoon. There's Sunu. Real men wear pink. That's right. And then there's Nikki. Okay, then we get more unit action. So we got the preppy boy and the skateboarder. And then we got our two besties doing karaoke at a disco bar, apparently, that they're not old enough to get into. Where's the parental supervision? Is the group stuff. Oh, these are so cute. Wow, they did a really good job with this package. This Goo Goo Deco package. 4 notebook. Are these like, maybe these are stickers or something that you can put into the notebook that they gave you? Because there was a lot of spots for like stickers and all kinds of stuff. So maybe that's what these are. Yeah, maybe you put this in the notebook that they gave you. Huh. Interesting. And then here's it's the cover of their very first mini album, Border Day 1. Here's their Goo Goo package. It's like the I don't know, like my iPod screen or something, or your MP3 player screen. That's the photo book. Wow, you get a whole lot of stuff in here. Just to recap, that was my random member pull. You only get a random member, and I pulled Jay. So that was the Enhypen Goo Goo package, Deco package for Engine, and my random member Jay. Alrighty, let's get to the next box. This is the second box I received today. The official Weverse shop box. If you ordered from Weverse, you have seen this box before. This is... what is this? Oh my gosh, you guys. I didn't think I was gonna get this today. This is from our dear BTS in celebration of their 8th anniversary. It's their Festa calendar package or box. Wow. Just in time for Festa. Am I even allowed to open this? I don't know. The front's really cool, look. It's like holographic. See like a plant, a piano, video game controller, hat, a cat, camera, and art easel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's 7. It must represent our 7 members. Wow, it's pretty lightweight for such a big box. All right, I'm just gonna look into it. Let's just see what's in here. Looks like it just... ooh. All right, what does this say? All right, so this is just information on the emblems you get when you ordered this on Weverse. Oh gosh, I think these are the dates. Like June 1st, June 2nd, June 3rd. Oh, I don't think I'm allowed to open all these yet. Wait. Oh, look, and this is sealed. Oh no. June 12th. I guess I can't open this till June 12th. Ah! Wait, what's today? Okay, so today's the 3rd, so I think we can at least open the 1st, the 2nd, and the 3rd. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, what do you do? How do you open this? Okay, oh, I hate doing this. I should order 2 of these. Alright, so let's look behind June 1st door. Ooh. Some sort of ticket. It's the celebration of the 8th anniversary. And here are our Bangtan boys. Oh, looking so dashing. Look at Cookie's blonde hair. So I don't collect full group. I only collect Jungkook things, but I do collect all their other merch. But when it comes to photo cards, just Jungkook. Oh, wow, this is so fun. So D-Day is June 13th, so that's the, I guess, the last day of Festa. Oh, okay, let's put this back here. Alright, so let's see what you get behind June 2nd. Oh, okay. It's a random purple dice. This must mean something significant, but I don't know what it does mean. Wow. Alright, so this is the 3rd. So that's what we can open today. Oh. It looks like a group postcard of some sort. Look at how cute they are. Doing a bright pastel concept. Looks like we got Jin, Jungkook, and Namjoon. And we've got Jimin and Yoongi. And J-Hope, our HYBE, our Sunshine, and Tae. Oh, those were very cute. So now I'm in a moral dilemma because I'm shooting a video to unbox this, but these are obviously for the days of the month. So I don't know what to do, guys. Do I have to do insert clips? I don't want to spoil it for ARMY if they're doing the same thing, if they're opening them up by the day. Oh, how could you do this to me, BTS? Well, I guess that's all we can do for this for now, because let's open them up in order like we're supposed to. Oh, bummer. But this is a very cute idea. Gosh, take all my money. So I guess at the end of Festa, I'll have a supplemental video showing you all the goodies that you get in this D-Day calendar Festa package. I don't want to open them early because there could be ARMY out there that are patiently opening them up by the day like I will. But in the end, I will show you everything you get after Festa is over. So that's going to be torture, but I think that's the best thing to do. And that leads us to this final box, which is this really long box. Like, what could be in this thing? This is also from Weverse. Oh, the Enhypen N Connect. I believe this was their, I guess, online fan meet, their first official online fan meet with Engine. And this is the 10 set. So it's, I guess, 10 sets of cards, which sold out really quick. So I was very happy to get one. I don't know what's, what is it, slide open? Oh, magnetic. Oh. Oh. That seems like an awfully big box for this. Let's see what this is. Alright, so this has all of our members' names on it. It's, oh, is it? Wow. It's literally just a, like, triangular stand sort of thing. This whole big box just to accommodate that. And here is the pack of 10 trading cards, or a pack of 10 sets. Alright, so this is pack number 1. Oh, they're sealed. Oh. I guess you get a random one in every pack. That's Jungwon. And here's a Heesung. Jae. These are always in age order except Jungwon because he's leader. There's Jake. Sunghoon. Sanu. Nikki. And oh, so it's like a group shot, but it's, or a unit shot of just, looks like Jae, Nikki, Jake, and Jungwon. Alright, I'm just gonna open one more pack and see how it goes. I wonder how random these are. Oh, okay, this one, my random or message card is Heesung. And then you get, oh, okay, so they're like all different poses. From, oh. Nikki again. And this unit is Sunghoon, Heesung, and Sanu. Alright, so how are we going to organize this? Let's have a Jake pile. Let's see, Nikki and Sanu will go back into the package because I do not collect those two members, so I could probably sell them off on Mercari for people that do collect these two lovely members. And then let's see, we got a Jay, Jake, Sunghoon, Heesung. Oh, okay, so I only have one each of those two because they're the message cards. So let's go in that order. And then our units down here. welcome to another insert clip. It's a few days later, and I think we can safely open a few more of these since we are at June 8th now. This is exciting. Alright, so I think when we left off, we were on the 3rd. So now let's open up the 4th. Oh, what is this? A stack of photo cards? I love photo cards. Oh, we've got Namjoon, Yoongi, we got Mr. Worldwide Handsome, Seokjin. We've got our Sunshine, HYBE. We've got our Flirt, Park Jimin. We've got our top visuals, Taeyoung. And my bias, Cookie, Jungkook. Oh, so cute. All right, June 5th. Here we go. There's the tab. Appears to be some photo strips. That's like the kind you get in photo booths. Again, starting with RM. Suga. Jin. J-Hope. Jimin. V. Jungkook. So adorable. I love this blonde hair. And we've got some units. Looks like we've got RM, Jungkook, and Jin. It's mom and dad and their baby. We've got Jimin and Suga. J-Hope and V. And finally, the entire group. June 6th. These appear to be like mini foam cardboard stands. Like you just pop out the member and the stand. There's RM again. And Suga. Jin. J-Hope. Jimin. V. And Jungkook. Alright, we are up to June 7th. This is such a fun idea. Great job on this, guys. Oh, it's another set of photo cards. Wow. Namjoon. Yoongi. Jin. Looks like they are in white outfits for this one. J-Hope. Jimin. Oh, notice they're all holding... Oh, they were all holding 8s. Here's V. and Jungkook. This is what the backs of those look like. Well, I'm happy I've got a few more Jungkooks to add to my collection now. I've been completely slacking off on his photo card collection. And that leads us to today, which is the 8th. It's up here. This appears to be a folding book, a flip book maybe. Of them doing just funny poses. Oh, these guys are so adorable sometimes. And then the back side. Oh, so these are the those little images in the front cover. What do you call this? An accordion? Yeah, maybe an accordion style little mini booklet, I guess. So it looks like we have a few days left. This one goes up until the 13th. Looks like the 13th. And there's also that separate envelope for the 12th. So we have 5 days left. So I guess I'll have another insert clip soon. But yeah, I just wanted to unbox a few more of these doors since I can legally do so now. Alright, it is now June 20th, so BTS's celebration of their 8th anniversary festa has officially ended, and now I feel safe enough to open the rest of this festa package without drawing the ire of ARMY all over the world. I didn't want to spoil the surprises within if there were other ARMY that were opening them up by the day. So I waited till Festa was officially over and then came back to do one final insert clip. So let's go ahead and open the rest and see what the contents are in this package. When I left off, I was on the 8th, so let's just open the rest of the days up, shall we? So now, let's see what's behind June 9th. Let me find the little tabby here. There it is. What is this? I don't know. But this one says RM on the back. And there's like some sort of pop-up and then an illustration. I guess RM drew something. I just don't know what these are. Do they do this? I'm not sure. This one is from Suga. So this looks like a recording studio, maybe? What was RM's? RM looks like he drew, looks like a lake and a park or something. I see a lot of trees. Alright, this is from Jin. It looks like Jin drew Big Hit something. Maybe it's the dance studio? Not quite sure. This is from J-Hope. Oh, J-Hope went all out. Look at that. This looks like maybe his closet or room. Wow, J-Hope is really artistic. I'm anxious to see Jungkook's. This one is from Jimin. Oh, Jimin drew, looks like a couple of beds and the view outside of a window. Not bad, pretty good actually. The trees are really nice. So this one is from V. Looks like he drew like a kitchen table, maybe? Or some sort of table at a restaurant. This one is Jungkook's. It looks like he drew a bedroom also. Got a bookshelf, a desk, and what looks like a bed. And this one is blank. Oh, create your own precious space with BTS. So this is for ARMY to create their own precious space. Oh, well, that was very cute. So I guess all these were representations of their precious spaces. Let's move on to the 10th. This little door here. These appear to be little mini, I don't know, are these AR cards, maybe? Not quite sure. But there's RMs. Here is Suga's. I'm not sure what's written on the back of these. It's completely in Korean, so I don't know. But here is Jin. J-Hope. Jimin. V. And Jungkook. Oh no, they appear to say different things. I wonder if these are like little message cards instead of AR cards. Very cute. But this is yet another miscellaneous sized item that I have to figure out how to store. The 11th is down here. Something small again. Oh, all right. These are teeny tiny photo cards. Here's RM. Got the key. Here's Suga. Oh, same back. Okay. And there's Jin. J-Hope. They're all holding some sort of flower. Here is Jimin. There's V. And Jungkook. Oh, so cute. Can't wait to store this one. I have to say, I'm so impressed with the amount of stuff you get in this. It's just such a variety of stuff. There's the 11th, and I think the 12th is this separate envelope here. Oh, this is giving me such, I was about to say it's giving me such anxiety, but I already ripped it. Okay. Oh, it's like a little BTS Monopoly game or something. Oh, and those little cards make sense now. Oh, and the dice. Oh, it's like starting to make sense. That's cool. I wonder if there's instructions on how to play this thing. Wow, everything ties together. Huh. The 13th. It's a single Holographic key card. Golden key card. I don't know, it has to be part of that game. Now I'm really curious, because this was the dice for that game. Here. That's the last door in this little package. So I think most of all of this had something to do with this little game board that they gave you. And now I'm curious how to play this game. There's no instructions. It's a mystery. Well, if y'all know how to play this game with all the cool stuff that's in here, let me know. And with that being said, that's the final part of this unboxing. Now, the daunting task of putting it all together in a cohesive video. That'll be fun. But as always, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you maybe in another unboxing in the near future. Bye-bye.